smells good.
It's all over now. We cannot reverse the time. It's all over now. There's another part of my.
Hey guys, welcome back to April's Kitchen. Today, in honor of Black History Month, I am going to honor Lucille Elizabeth Smith. She first made the hot biscuit mix. She was from Texas and owned her own business. I believe she was one of the first Afro-American women to own her own bakery business. And in honor of her, I found one of her recipes. It's for a banana bread, and I am going to make it. The only addition that I am doing, I am adding in chocolate in mine. So let's see how it goes. Okay guys, so first we are going to cream our butter and our sugar together. This is a cup of sugar, half a cup of butter, which is a stick, and we're going to get that all creamed together. So excuse the noise for a little bit.
Holding up her head so proud, this black and beautiful.
Okay guys, so now we've creamed together our butter and our sugar. I'm going to get these bananas, put this to the side, get our bananas mashed up. And we're next adding our bananas and 2 eggs. Hers called for 3 bananas, but I have 2 on hand because my husband eats bananas a lot, like really a lot. He takes them to work every day. He takes at least 3 to 4 to work every day. So I just took 2. I'm not going to say I stole 2 from him, but I took 2 of his just to leave him some. I took 2 of his. Let's get out the smasher. Let me wash it off. Well, alrighty. So we're going to get that these bananas mashed up nicely. Mashed up pretty well. Clean these bananas off of here. Okay. Those are mashed up pretty good. I'm going to put that to the side. And I am going to beat my eggs a little before I pour those in. The 2 eggs. 1. 2. And we're going to mix. You don't have to scramble them. You just want to mix together pretty good. Okay. 2 eggs are mixed together. I'm going to bring my sugar and butter mixture back. I'm going to add these bananas in here. Mix it well with the sugar and the butter. Okay, now I'm going to add in my eggs that I mixed well. And then we're going to start the next process of the flour and the salt. And get another bowl. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, so now we are going to sift our flour, and I have the 2 cups of flour and a tablespoon of salt. So we're gonna get that sifted well. That's the salt. And I'm gonna sift this one more time, and I shall be back. Okay, so now I've sifted my flour twice with the salt. I'm going to add it here. To my bananas and my eggs. And then we are going to, now I've never done this. She said to add the, to the sour cream, you add your baking soda. And look at the effects it gives. So she was on to something, and we're going to see how that works. We're going to put that into here. Get all that sour cream out. And that was 2 teaspoons of the sour cream, teaspoon of the baking soda. I'm not going to beat it again. I'm going to fold in some Hershey semi-chocolate. And the rest of these walnuts I had. Since hers called for some walnuts. So I'm going to put the rest of the ones I had in there. And I'm just going to fold it in. And there's the batter. I'm going to get my baking pan, my baking loaf, grease that up, and put it in. And okay, guys, so I have greased my pan. Also, I had to let this sit because she said, excuse me, something in my throat. She said to let it sit for 30 minutes. So I'm back, and we're going to pour it into this pan here. Get all of this out of here. Alrighty. So I'm just gonna bump it a little bit. So it can be even. And we're going to put it in the oven at 350 for an hour, and we'll see you then. Alright guys, so it's done and it has cooled off. It didn't come out as high as I thought it was going to come out, but that is it. We are going to try it out. I want a middle piece, so I'm going to cut it. Tastes like bananas for sure, and it's so moist and soft. Delicious. Well, that is her recipe, and you can go look her up. Like I said, she was one of the first Afro-American women in Texas to own her own product company. But that's it. Happy Black History Month.